intellectual property is a type of intangible property. So how we can define intellectual property? Intellectual property is a type of intangible property and is defined a creation of human intellect. Intellectual property is a result of effort of intellect of humans. IP properties are, or intellectual properties are, the creation of mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works and symbols, names, images and designs used in commerce. For example, movies, books, etc. So when we say invention, just mention above, it is a patent, a type of intellectual property. When we say literally or artistic work, it is copyright.